Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington Jr. In 90 seconds, discover the essential features of a quality management software for manufacturing powered by Harrington Group International's HQMS. Before we dive in today, please be sure to click that subscribe button on our channel and hit like on all our videos you watch, as this helps us add more content. Now on with the show. First, robust document control. HQMS centralizes work instructions and specifications, ensuring the latest versions are accessible, reducing errors from outdated documents. Second, non-conformance tracking. HQMS identifies defects in real time, integrating with Kappa to resolve root causes, minimizing rework and scrap costs. Third, audit management. HQMS streamlines audits for ISO 9001 and AS 9100 compliance with automated scheduling and audit trails, ensuring regulatory readiness. Fourth, supplier management. The supplier portal automates SCARs and scores supplier performance, ensuring quality materials and a reliable supply chain. Fifth, analytics and reporting. HQMS delivers Pareto charts and trend reports, driving data-driven decisions for Lean and Six Sigma improvements. Cloud-based and customizable, HQMS integrates with ERP systems, offering scalability and affordability. So give us a call to get pricing and find out how HQMS can power your entire organization today. HQMS is trusted by manufacturers for efficiency and compliance worldwide. Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thanks for watching.